This is a britwist. And this video is going to show you how to learn a britwist in only 1 minute. So you gotta remember the basics. Hit the coping, plus land 90 degrees. I always recommend to drink after every 2 to 3 tries, as it helps you to stay concentrated and focused. With that being said, let's get started to learn britwist in one simple step. First, we need to get the motion right. Turn your arms 90 degrees to the right. Take your left hand off and rotate it like a brit flip. Alright, now we can go test it out on a quarter. This is it. Feel free to rewatch the video a couple of times till you're 100% sure what to do. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe right now, because I have more short 3-minute tutorials coming out every Sunday on my YouTube channel. Alright, thank you so much everybody, and see you in the next one.